Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Braza number 2 here in Asheville. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy I'm here. I posted a picture on Facebook a day or two ago and of a piece of art I did, about a year ago. I did it as a practice piece for a collaboration that I was having with the darling Michelle Galley and from Grateful Creations, and you all really liked it. So I thought, I got most of those paints. It was kind of a cool concept, and I thought maybe I would come down here and give it another try. I have changed it up just a little bit. I'm a little uncertain about one paint, which was left over, and it's a lovely shade. I just don't know if I want to incorporate brown. But we're doing kind of like a pearl pour painting. Our base coat is Bare Satin Enamel 8300 house paint, and it is mixed with a little bit of Floetrol, a little bit of GAC 800, a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium, and a little bit of the apple barrel white paint. I had all these things, and that was Michelle's recipe when I did the collab with her a while ago, and a heck of a lot of water, guys. This paint leaves absolutely no trace. It's almost like skin milk when it rolls off your popsicle stick. So very thin paint, lots of water. How much water, I couldn't tell you. I just start adding it a little bit of a time after I put my house paint in, the apple barrel paint, and my different pouring mediums. We're about 25% Floetrol, 25% GAC 800, 25% Liquitex pouring medium, and a lot of water. A scary amount of water. When you think you've added enough, you probably haven't. So, and our other paints are mixed exactly the same way. Let's talk about those colors. This is Yummy right here. This is Charvin, and it is their Indigo. It's inside that box. It's a lovely kind of blue-gray that is just absolutely beautiful. And you know what? See how that leaves a little bit of a trace? I think I'm going to need to add just a little bit more water to that. Now, in the original pour, I use Golden's Green Gold, but I don't have any, but I think this is going to be a wonderful substitution. That right there is Pebeo Studio Acrylics, and that's their iridescent green yellow. These PBO paints are absolutely wonderful. I love them. This was one of Michelle's picks from the original pour, and that is Modern Masters Metallics, and that is their Venetian Blue. These paints are yummy. I get mine on Amazon every now and again. They go on sale, but they have the large quart size. So if you find a color that you love, you can get a big amount of it. Venetian Blue by Modern Masters. This right here, one of my favorite golden paints. That's Golden Fluids, and that is their turquoise. And because this is a fluid paint, it took a little less water than the two paints did. What else? Another beautiful paint, guys, and such a great price point at Michael's. And when you buy them in bulk, it almost brings the price down to half. This is Artislav, and it's their metallic cobalt blue. Go to the pro section in Michael's, and if you can afford to buy 12 tubes of that paint, and if you love it well enough, then it comes down to, I think it's just over $1, and it's a wonderful paint. It holds its pigment and its color really, really well. Now, I'm on the fence with this. I love this paint. This is one of my TLPs, and that is their Cappuccino. It was left over. I did not use the Cappuccino in the original pour. I'm going to noodle over that to decide whether or not we use it. And that's it. I might do some swiping through this painting. I'm hoping to get some nice pearls. But you know what? If we don't, we'll still hopefully make a beautiful, beautiful painting. I'm glad you're here, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm.